Hello students, let us learn General Science for class 3 from the book Science Squad. Today we are going to learn chapter 3, Parts of a Plant. In this chapter we are going to discuss about the different parts of a plant. Let us begin the chapter. You must have seen plants in water, deserts, plains and mountains. All these plants have common parts. The part of the plant above the ground which you see are called shoots. That is leaf, flower, bud, fruit, branch, stem. The shoot has stem, branches, leaves, bud, flowers and fruits. The part which remains under the ground is called its root. Each part of the plant has its own special function to do. Root. Gently pull out a plant from a pot and wash away the soil. What you will see? You will see the roots. Roots are of two types, taproot, fibrous root. In taproot, when you see main root branches comes out first and many smaller roots arises from it. This can be seen in peas, beans and mustard. When you see the fibrous root, you can see there are many fibers like roots. There is no main root. Wheat, rice, grass and onion have fibrous roots. Functions of a root. Roots hold the plant firmly in the soil. The roots spread out in the ground in search of water. The roots have many tiny hairs on them which helps them to absorb water and minerals from the soil. Some roots of the plant like carrot and beetroot helps to store food. We eat them as vegetables. Stem. It is the main part of the shoot. The stem grows upwards from the ground. Some stems like mango are thick, strong and woody. Some stems like banana are thick, soft and green. Some stems like money plant are soft, green and weak. So they need support to stand. So mango stems are thick, strong and woody. Banana plant is having thick, soft and green stems. Money plants stem are very soft, green and weak. Let us see the functions of the stem. Stem holds the plant upright and support branches. It carries water and minerals from roots to all other parts of the plant. It carries the food prepared by the leaves to all parts of the plants. The leaves, bud, flowers and fruits grow on the stem. The stem spreads out in such a way that the leaves get maximum sunlight. Some stems of the plant like sugarcane and potato store food. So we eat these stems. Let us discuss about the leaf. Different plants have leaves of different shapes and sizes. The leaves of most of the plants are green due to presence of chlorophyll. The flat and broad part of the leaf is called lamina or leaf blade. Lamina has a midrib in the middle. It gives out veins. The leaf is attached to the stem by petiole. The petiole is attached to the stem by leaf base. Leaves are the food factory of a plant. Let us discuss the functions of leaf. Plants breathe through the holes known as stomata present on the leaves. Leaves help to prepare food by the process of photosynthesis. Let us discuss about flowers and fruits. The plants bear flowers. Flower is the most beautiful and colorful part of a plant. Flower changes into fruit. Most of the fruits will have seeds in them. Seeds will grow into a young plants. They have stored food to nourish the baby plant. Some fruits like mango have only one seed inside each. Fruits like pea and apple will have few seeds inside each, while fruits like tomato and papaya will have many seeds inside them. You know, flowers can change into flower fruits. Fruits will be having seeds. Seeds can grow into a new plants. They can nourish the baby with the help of the stored foods inside them. Fruits may be having one seed, few seeds, or many seeds. Let us have a chapter recap. A plant body has different parts. Each part has to do a different and special function. Root grows underground and shoot grows above the ground. Root absorbs water and minerals from the ground. Stem carries water and food to all parts of the plant. Leaves prepare food for the plant and help it to breathe. Flower is the most beautiful and colorful part of the plant. It changes into a fruit. Fruit has seeds. Seeds grows into a new plants. This ends the chapter 3.